In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access cPanel in GoDaddy in a quick and simple way. If you manage a website, cPanel is one of the most important tools you'll use because it gives you access to your files, emails, domains, databases, and hosting settings all in one place. So, if you've been trying to find your cPanel inside GoDaddy and you're not sure where to click, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy website and hosting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to the GoDaddy product page and sign into your account. So open your browser, head over to GoDaddy and log in using the account that owns the hosting plan you want to manage. If you have more than one GoDaddy account, make sure you're signing into the correct one because cPanel access only shows up for the hosting plan linked to that account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the GoDaddy dashboard or product page. From here, look for the section labeled Web Hosting. This is where all of your hosting products are listed. If you have multiple services in your account, you may need to scroll a little bit to find it. When you see Web Hosting, go ahead and expand that section so you can see the hosting plans underneath it. Now you should see the specific hosting plan you want to access. If you have more than one plan, take a moment to identify the correct one so you don't open the wrong site. Once you've found the hosting plan, click Manage. This will take you into the hosting dashboard for that plan, where you can control the hosting features and open cPanel. Inside the hosting dashboard, look in the top right corner for the cPanel admin button. This is the key button you need. GoDaddy places it there so you can jump directly into your cPanel without having to manually enter a separate login or URL. When you find it, click cPanel admin. After you click it, GoDaddy will automatically log you into your cPanel interface. In most cases, it opens in a new browser tab, and you should be taken directly into the cPanel control panel for that hosting account. No extra password is usually needed because GoDaddy handles the login for you behind the scenes. Once cPanel opens, you'll be able to manage your hosting settings, create email accounts, upload files, work with databases, and handle all the core tools your website depends on. If this is your first time inside cPanel, take a moment to get familiar with the layout because it can make website management much easier. And that's it. You now know how to access cPanel in GoDaddy in just a few clicks. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and check out the rest of the channel for more helpful GoDaddy and web hosting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.